How to view transaction history in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search roblox.com. Then at the bottom, click on Continue in Browser. After you clicked on Continue in Browser, you'll find your Roblox account. Click on Roblox at the top, which is Roblox sign and not the written Roblox option. Then click on My Transactions, which is the second option. After you click on My Transactions, you will be able to see all your transactions of Roblox. You can also select type of transactions or date range. As you can see, there is past day, past 7 days, 30 days, and past year. You can simply scroll and you'll be able to see all your transaction history. And this is how to view transaction history in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.